Hello YouTube world, this is the Pretend Farmer here with a for real Apple Watch, and I am going to show you how to change the band on these. Very simple. Now, step one for changing the band on this watch is you're going to flip it inside out. Now you'll notice the inside of your watch has these two elongated buttons that you can barely get your fingernail in to push. So what you're going to do is you're just going to barely get your fingernail in there, hopefully you got some, depress it, and these are just going to pop right out. You can take them to the left, to the right, it does not matter. So your new band is going to have the same ends on it. You just want to make sure that the buckle is on the bottom side, pointing down, otherwise it'll be pushing up against your wrist. So you're simply to put it in, you just find the track, push till it locks. You're going to come around and do the exact same thing on the other side. You don't have to actually push any buttons to get these to slide in. They will just automatically lock. And kind of like with taking them off, you can go in for either direction. Till next time, this is the Pretend Farmer with the Smartwatch. We're signing in.